My name is Garikai Tirikoti. I began to play bira in 1965. But I don't really remember how did I learn some of the songs. I just grew up knowing that I can play those songs, but I was recording the sound in my mind. So I was very young and the biras were very heavy for me, and my elders knew that if they leave the place, I will remain taking bira and playing bira. Then they used to hang them up where I cannot reach to take them. Then I make my own steps from the buckets, the tin, and the bricks to make a ladder until I take the beer and I sit down and lock the door. From 1974 until 1980, I began to dream the sound of biras. That sound was coming out from an old man's mouth. He was not playing bira, but he was producing the sound of bira from his mouth. It was very melody, that sound. And I kept that sound until I wake up. What happened for me to meet that old man? In my dreams, I feel thirsty and I walk in the forest, and I reach the place which was only grass without trees. With only grass, but with one gold pipe of water, a gold tap of water in the middle of that area. And I go through that gold pipe and I met old man finishing drinking water. Before my drinking water, he began to sing with his mouth, producing sound, bira sound from his mouth. So that sound was orchestra. I slept again. Those dreams come again. I saw that old man. He showed me a line of biras. He told me this first one is Taireva Chuni, the second is Nyabango Chuni, the third is Mauroro Chuni, The fourth is Bagiza tuning. The fifth is Mavembe tuning. Sixth is Chakwi tuning. The seventh is Nemamsasa tuning. So that Nemamsasa is the lead. And Chakwi is the extra lead. Then Mavembe is rhythm. Bagiza is the extra rhythm. Then first bass is low mauro. Second bass is Nyabang. Third bass, the last one, is Tairema. So there is Angel Gabriel. The Angel Gabriel sang 7 voices. So those 7 voices are the voices of instruments. No other instrument you will have which can make the 8th sound. We have 7 different sounds. It's not, my life is not for me, my own. It's for the spirits. So that's why I feel happy if I meet friends like white people, because they have something to do with my life. And I must have to be happy because I have some spirits who are looking after me. Those spirits are white spirits. So that's why we are coming to be like a relationship with white people.